All right, let's just jump right into it. If you're eyeing a Microsoft certification, you already know that price tag can be a pretty big hurdle. But what if I told you there's a treasure map out there that leads to massive discounts and even completely free exams? Well, that's exactly what we're going to do today. We're going to unlock that vault. Forget digging through forums. We've got the map right here.
So here's our game plan, our route. First, we'll talk about why the old tricks just don't work anymore. Then, we're going for the grand prize, a massive $50,000 voucher giveaway. After that, we'll uncover some super reliable, guaranteed discounts, find some secret keys for students and employees, and then, the final step, learn exactly how to unlock that treasure chest and claim your prize. Let's get going.
So if you've been doing this for a little while, you probably remember the good old days, right? The days of getting free, guaranteed vouchers from Microsoft's virtual training days. You just attend a webinar, and boom, a free exam voucher just showed up. But if you've tried that lately, you've probably hit a wall. And yeah, this right here confirms it. This quote is pulled straight from a support response on Reddit, and it leaves absolutely no room for doubt. Those easy, 100% free vouchers? They're a thing of the past. I know, it's a real bummer, and it messed up a lot of people's certification plans. But don't worry, the game isn't over. It's just changed.
Okay, so the old way is gone, but in its place, a massive new opportunity has popped up. This, my friends, is the grand prize on our map, and trust me, it's a big one. 50,000. Let that sink in for a second. That's how many free exam vouchers Microsoft is giving away to celebrate its 50th anniversary. This is just a huge, huge opportunity.
So does this mean free vouchers are back? Well, yes, but there's a catch. This isn't just a guaranteed handout for watching a webinar anymore. No, this is something much bigger, and honestly, way more exciting.
So, say hello to the Microsoft AI Skills Fest. Now, the key word here, the one you really need to pay attention to, is sweepstakes. You enter a drawing for a chance to win one of those 50,000 vouchers. Yeah, it's a game of luck, but with that many prizes on the table, your odds are probably better than you think.
And getting in on this is so simple. It's just 3 steps. 1, register for an AI Skills Fest challenge on Microsoft Learn. 2, just start the learning content. You don't even have to finish it. And 3, fill out the official entry form. That's it. You're in. You're in the weekly drawings. The whole thing takes maybe 5 minutes.
Now, here are the details you absolutely need to know. The whole thing runs from April 8th to May 28th, 2025. And you have to use that voucher by June 21st. But here's the best part. You only have to enter one time. If you don't win the first week, your entry just automatically rolls over to the next week, and the next, and the next. And look at that list of eligible exams. It's packed with super valuable certs.
Still not convinced? Well, check out this quote from YouTuber Tech with Jazzball. Real people are actually winning these things. He did mention that the email landed in his Gmail promotions tab, so if you enter, make sure you check everywhere. This just proves it's not some marketing fluff. The prizes are legit.
All right, so the sweepstakes is the grand prize, but not everyone's going to win. For those of us who want a sure thing, it's time to look for the hidden caches on our map, the guaranteed 50% discounts.
Here we go, 2 fantastic, super reliable options. First up, the virtual training days. They might not be giving away 100% anymore, but they are giving a guaranteed 50% discount just for attending. It gets linked right to your email automatically. Second, for the Power BI 10th anniversary, there's a special 50% off offer for data exams like the PL300. For that one, you just fill out a quick form before September 15th, 2025. 2 rock-solid ways to slash your exam cost in half.
Okay, now for the really good stuff. Seriously, if you were in one of these specific groups, you might just have a secret key that unlocks a 100% free voucher, completely guaranteed. Let's see who gets these special keys.
If you're a student, this is your golden ticket. Seriously, by verifying that you're enrolled at an accredited school, you get the whole shebang. Free learning content, a free practice test, and, the big one, a 100% free voucher for any of the fundamentals exams. It's an absolutely incredible deal.
And the process could not be any easier. Microsoft lays it all out in 5 simple steps. You sign in, pick the certification you want, verify you're a student, go get certified, and then, of course, share your awesome new credentials with the world. It's a super straightforward path to a totally free cert.
Now, for all you employees out there, there are 2 main paths. A lot of companies are part of Microsoft Enterprise Skills Initiative, or ESI, which usually gets you a solid 50% off your exams. But there's another, kind of hidden path, the Level Up program. This is a self-paced course, and if you finish it and score an 80% on the practice test, you get a 100% free voucher. What an amazing deal if you're willing to put in a little work.
All right, so you found your discount on the map, you've got your key. Now for the final step, unlocking the chest and actually using it. So how does this work when you go to check out? This is where the magic happens. When you go to schedule your exam, you'll get to this payment screen. Now some discounts, like that 50% off from virtual training days, they just apply automatically. But for the others, you'll click that little button that says Add Voucher or Promo Code. You'll type in the code you got, and you'll watch that price drop all the way to zero. That's the victory lap, right there. Okay, now listen up, because this is a crucial tip that could save you a huge headache. If you already have that 50% SI discount through your work, it often just applies itself automatically. Well, that can actually block you from entering a 100% off code. So here's the trick. You have to remove the 50% discount first, and then you'll be able to apply your new, much better code. So there you have it. We've gone over the entire map, from the grand prize lottery to the guaranteed hidden caches and all the secret keys. Now, it's time for you to decide which path you're going to take.
So let's just do a quick recap of our treasure map. Your grand prize is the AI Skills Fest Sweepstakes. That's your high-risk, high-reward shot. Your hidden caches are those reliable 50% off deals. Your secret keys are the 100% free vouchers for special groups like students. And of course, the final step is knowing exactly how to use that key when you check out. The paths are all laid out. The opportunities are totally clear. The only question left is, which one are you going to choose? Whether you're trying your luck with the sweepstakes or cashing in on a guaranteed deal, your next certification is closer and way cheaper than ever before. Good luck out there!